You can boost the sales of your online store with CartFlows, the #1 WordPress sales funnel builder to increase conversions and maximize profits. Now, CartFlows might have been installed when you installed a starter template design on your website, but if that's not the case, I will show you how to install it. And to find out if it's installed, just go to Plugins, and if it's installed, it should appear on the list here. To get started, first you want to make sure that WooCommerce is installed. Now, if it's not installed, just click on Add Plugin. And here in the search field, just type WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and activate. Click on Set up my store to set up your store, but in our case, I'm just gonna skip the guided setup. Choose my region and click Go to my store. Next, you want to add at least one product, so I'm gonna click on Add your products, but you can also do it from here. Products, Add new products. Give it a name, a description, set its settings and price, set a product image. Now in our example, this is an ebook, so in real life you would need to add the actual ebook file by clicking on Add File. Next, click on Publish. Now I'm gonna close this. Next, you see Store Coming Soon. I'm just gonna click on it. And once you're ready to go live, make sure it's set to live and save changes. Now before we can use CartFlows, we need at least one payment method. So for that, we're going to go to WooCommerce Settings, then Payments. Here you see Take Offline Payments. And for the time being, I'm just going to turn on Cash on Delivery. All right. Now, once again, let's go back to Plugins. And if CartFlows is not installed here, just click on Add Plugin and just type CartFlows in the search field. Click on Install Now and Activate. And welcome to the onboarding process of CartFlows. So let's click on Let's Start. And here you can choose your page builder, like Elementor, for example. In my case, I'm using the Spectra builder. Click Save and Continue. And here you can see the plugins that will be installed with CartFlows. Click on Install and Activate. And next you can select a dedicated store checkout. Now, if you click on the store checkout, you can have a preview, and actually like this one, as you can see, the recap here is staying in place while I'm scrolling. So I'm just going to click on Import and Continue. Next, enter your email address to get email reports. Then click on Save and Continue. And there you go. CartFlows is set up on your website. So click on Finish Store Setup. And the first thing you see here is the store checkout that we installed. So right here in CartFlows, if I enable store checkout, it's going to replace the checkout for all regular products. Now let's create our first funnel. So for that, you want to go to CartFlows, Funnels, then click on Create Funnel. You can click on any funnel, and then you can click and see the various steps. And I'm just going to click on Import Funnel. Give your funnel a name and click on Import Funnel. And here you can see the various steps. Now we can reorder the steps. And here with this icon, we're going to open the settings. And the first thing we're going to do is to change the name. So I'm just going to change the first two words. And I'm going to do the same thing for the address of this step, just-run. So let me save it here and let me save settings here. Now let me close this. So if you want to see the step, we just have to click on the eye icon. But right now I'm going to click on Edit Step, and it's going to open the step in edit mode with your preferred page builder. So here, for example, I'm just going to replace an image from the media library. And I'm going to use this image. I can change the text. Let me hit save. Next, you see here our checkout step. It says no product assigned. So to change this, click here on the settings icon. And where you see product, we're going to start typing the name of our product. Select it, click on add, and save settings. Now let me close this. So now our funnel should be set. Now if you want to add one more step, for example, click here on add new step. And depending on the plan you're on, you may be able to add checkout, upsell, downsell, thank you, or opt-in. All right, now let's take a look at our final funnel. So for this, I'm just going to scroll back up and you can click here to view your funnel. Now I'm going to open it in a new browser as if I was a customer. Next, click on Buy Now once the customer has been convinced. And now we get to the checkout, beautiful custom checkout. So the customer would fill in the info, then scroll down and click on Place Order. And there you go, you get to the confirmation page. So now it's your turn to build your first funnel. I know you can do it.